Welcome to our channel. Today we how to increase website conversions with Squarespace, full guide step by step clearly. To increase website conversions with Squarespace, start by clearly defining your goals. Determine what actions you want visitors to take on your website. This could be making a purchase, signing up for a newsletter, or filling out a contact form. Next, analyze your target audience. Understand their needs, preferences, and pain points. This knowledge will help you tailor your website's messaging and design. Now, focus on designing an appealing homepage. Use high-quality images that resonate with your audience. Ensure your layout is clean and easy to navigate. Keep your branding consistent throughout all pages. Create compelling calls to action, or CTAs, that guide users toward desired actions. Make these buttons visually distinct to draw attention. Consider using persuasive copy that highlights the benefits of your offerings. Integrate testimonials and social proof to build credibility. Showcase customer reviews and case studies prominently. Implement exit intent pop-ups to capture visitors before they leave. Offer incentives like discounts or free resources to encourage sign-ups. Utilize Squarespace built-in SEO features to optimize your site for search engines. Incorporate relevant keywords in your page titles and descriptions. Ensure your images are appropriately tagged for search visibility. Set up Google Analytics to track user behavior on your site. Analyze the data to identify areas needing improvement. This could include high bounce rates or low conversion rates on specific pages. Consider A/B testing different elements of your site. Test variations of headlines, CTAs, and layout designs to see what works best. Ensure your site is mobile responsive. A large percentage of web traffic comes from mobile devices, so usability is key. Optimize page load speeds to reduce bounce rates. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.